Hello everyone, it's Swift Boy here. Today is my first ever attempt to do an unboxing video. I just received a cool item that I was anxious to get that I ordered the past couple of days. So let's get started. Let's see if we can... No, they really package these very well, so that's why I'm going to try to open it up some way here or another. There we go. Oops. There we go. So, I'm just going to put that there. So there's my item that I got. So I ordered it through, so it's a bike mount, as you can see. We'll open it up, but it's from Velocity Clip. I was doing some research on, because usually when I go biking and stuff, I like to do a lot of filming / vlogging, and as you've seen in the previous vlogs, my camera shakes. So this is supposed to be very steady, where you can put any phone on this mount here. So this is some of the pieces here, and there's some more pieces, and then it comes pretty cool. So that's pretty much it, but it looks like this if you have a grasp of what it looks like right here. So you put your phone on that mount onto your bike, and then you have you can film a lot of cool action scenes while you're biking, even filming yourself as well. So I'm anxious for that. So we'll open this. So I'm assuming this will attach to the bike. Again, I got it. Oops. Drop the piece. Okay. So yeah, so that's pretty much all of the pieces. So we have like something that looks like this. And we have another. So there's a few pieces. So, but I'm gonna have to, I'll figure it out, put it together. So I hope you guys enjoyed my first ever unboxing video. As always, leave a like, comment, subscribe, ding the bell for more notifications to come out. As always, guys, we'll see you later. So I wanted to show you guys the bike mount that I just received from Velocity Clip, and that's what it looks like with your phone, and it's mounted onto your handlebars of the bike right here. So it's a pretty cool gadget. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys that.